Welcome everyone. This short course explores the London insurance market, its origins, key players, processes, and why it remains one of the world's most trusted centres for underwriting complex risk. The London insurance market began more than 3 centuries ago in the coffee houses of the City of London. Merchants, shipowners, and investors gathered to share news of voyages and discuss financial risks. One of these coffee houses, owned by Edward Lloyd, became the centre of marine insurance. From those early beginnings, the market evolved into a global powerhouse, insuring everything from ships and cargoes to oil rigs, aircraft, and cyber risks. The foundations of the London market have always been trust, expertise, and judgment. Every deal relies on professional reputation. A handshake still means something here. This combination of human insight and global reach is what has made the London market resilient for over 300 years. The London market is not a single company. It's a unique ecosystem of insurers, brokers, and reinsurers. At its core is Lloyd's of London, a marketplace where syndicates, groups of investors and underwriters operate under common rules. Alongside Lloyd's sits the company market, made up of global insurers. Brokers act as intermediaries, connecting clients around the world with the right underwriters in London. Most large or complex risks are shared among multiple insurers. This is called the subscription model. Each insurer or syndicate takes a line, meaning they cover a percentage of the total risk. For example, a large offshore platform might have 10 or more insurers, each taking a portion. This shared structure spreads exposure and allows London to underwrite risks that would be too big for any single insurer. Every policy begins with a client's need for protection. The broker gathers all relevant information and prepares a document called a slip, outlining the risk, coverage terms, and limits. The broker then presents this to a lead underwriter, who assesses the risk, sets the terms, and signs the first line. Other underwriters follow, subscribing to their share. Once complete, the placement is finalized, now often electronically through platforms like PPL, the Placing Platform Limited. Every underwriter operates under a defined line of authority, often referred to as LOA. This determines what premium and limits or exposures they can approve without referral. These governance controls protect both the insurer and the client, ensuring underwriting discipline, accountability, and regulatory compliance across the market. When a loss occurs, the value of insurance becomes real. The claims process begins with a notification from the client to the broker and the lead underwriter. A loss adjuster investigates, and once verified, claims are settled proportionally based on each insurer's line. This collaborative process ensures fairness and reliability, reinforcing trust in the market. To manage their own risk, insurers buy reinsurance, effectively insurance for insurers. There are 2 main types: facultative, which covers a specific individual risk, and treaty, which covers a portfolio or class of risks. Reinsurance spreads the impact of major losses. For example, natural disasters, ensuring stability across the global insurance system. The London market is one of the most regulated in the world. The Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) and Prudential Regulation Authority (PRA) oversee market conduct, solvency, and compliance. Lloyd's itself performs regular audits and sets strict underwriting standards. At the same time, the market is transforming, with initiatives like Blueprint 2 driving full digitalization of placement and claims processes. The London market is truly global. It insures oil rigs in Brazil, aircraft fleets in Asia, wind farms in Europe, and cyber risks in America. Its deep expertise and strong capital base make it the world's destination for complex risk. For professionals, the market offers diverse careers in underwriting, broking, claims, risk analysis, and data science. The London market continues to evolve. Careers are emerging in areas like data analytics, AI automation, ESG, and cyber risk. Whether you're technical, analytical, or relationship-driven, there's a path in this market that combines financial understanding with global impact. The London insurance market has thrived for more than 3 centuries because of its people, individuals guided by trust, expertise, and adaptability. As technology reshapes the future of risk, London remains a marketplace where human judgment and collaboration still lead the way. It's not just about insurance. It's about enabling progress around the world. Thank you for completing the London Insurance Market course.